Welcome to Library Kits Unboxed, where we unbox kits at the North Dakota State Library. My name is Tammy Kruger. I am the literacy specialist. The kit we're going to unbox today is a book club kit. First Test by Tamora Pierce. This is a middle grade novel. It's about Cal, who takes advantage of a decree that allows females to finally train to be knights. However, as the first to try to do this, she encounters some obstacles from people who just don't think girls should be able to do that. She proves to be spunky and smart and persevere over the trials. This is the first installment in the Protectors of the Small Quartet series. All of our book club kits come with 10 copies of the book, a sign-in sheet for book club participants, some information about how to run a book club, as well as discussion questions. For more information and to check out, visit Polaris under NDSL Book Club Kits. Thank you for joining us for Library Kits Unboxed. Until next time, happy learning, reading, and creating.